We are at Lake Constance. This is also called as Bodensee in Deutsch. Currently we are at the old port of Constance. This is one of the places to see near Lake Constance. But the first thing you need to do after you get off a train station is go to the information center, get your tickets, know your ferry timings, and also get to know about the places to see around so that you can plan for entire day. Guys, it's super easy. This was the tunnel we came out from. This connects to train station, just maybe 100 meters of tunnel, and then once you come out there's a board of scheduled ferries. So wherever you want to go, you just have to know the timing and the port number. The port numbers are clearly displayed all over, and then you can purchase your ticket over here, or you can purchase it from the train station, and you're all set. Because it shares its boundaries with 3 countries, Switzerland, Germany and Austria, and the longest part is in Germany. We have boarded this boat from Germany and right now we are going to Meersburg. Areas around Lake Constance are preserved during Second World War thanks to its neutral neighbor Switzerland. Because of that, all the villages around the Lake Constance are preserved, and that is why we can see them in the original medieval state. Guys, we have arrived at Meersburg, and this place looks like, completely different world, because the temperature here is so mild that you can even grow palm trees here. We could see everywhere vineyards, and vineyards adjacent to, lake. This side is completely unreal. Guys, behind me is the old Meersburg castle. This is second floor, second stage, the top floor of the castle, and still we could see such big trees over here. I mean, it's difficult to grow such a big tree over here, but still we can see many of them over here.
I don't usually go out this late at night to the place where the animals go. But baby, I'm here and I'm watching you move. There's just one thing you should know. Girl, you are my